Welcome to Daily Stoic Light, the place where we uncover the silent power of masculine presence, emotional discipline, and the hidden language of attraction. Today we're diving into a topic that seems simple on the surface, but often determines the outcome of many important moments. The 5 types of hugs women give men, and how you should respond so you don't miss what really matters. Think about it. A hug may feel like nothing more than a greeting, but in reality, it can be a silent invitation, a subtle test, or even the very first step toward something much deeper. The problem is, most men fail to recognize these signals and react the wrong way, too fast, too indifferent, or too insecure. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to read each type of hug and respond with calm confidence, so you never miss the opportunity hidden within. 1. Friendly pat. Picture this. You meet her at a party. She smiles, leans in quickly, gives you a light hug with a couple of soft pats on the back, and then pulls away. That's the friendly pat. Most men immediately feel disappointed. She only sees me as a friend. But the truth is, this isn't the end. A woman only gives this hug when she feels safe and comfortable around you. And that matters. Your job isn't to get discouraged. Your job is to stay calm, stay present, and let her feel your grounded energy. A friend hug is often just the doorway. What happens next depends on your presence. 2. Side hug. Now imagine walking together or posing for a photo. She slides an arm around you, but only half her body leans in. That's the side hug, casual, playful, halfway between friend and something more. Most men overlook it, but here's the truth. A side hug means she's letting you into her personal space, at least part of it. That's progress. How you react makes all the difference. If you stay stiff, the moment dies. But if you relax, smile, and let your shoulder or arm feel like a natural place for her to rest, she senses your calm confidence. The real question is, do you have the awareness to turn a halfway hug into the beginning of a stronger connection? 3. Firm hug. This one feels different. She holds you tighter, with intention, not just politeness. This is the firm hug. Many men misinterpret this, assuming it's instant attraction. But in reality, the firm hug is usually about trust, comfort, and emotional safety. It's important, but not yet romantic. The biggest mistake? Pulling away too soon. Instead, hold the space. Stay still, stay calm. Notice her signals. Does she smile, keep eye contact, or relax in your arms? If so, she enjoys being close to you. In moments like these, it's your stillness, not your words, that speaks the loudest. 4. Lingering embrace. Then comes the hug that lingers. She doesn't pull away quickly. Her body softens, she leans closer, maybe her chest brushes lightly against you. This is the lingering embrace, emotional, physical, and far from casual. Her breathing slows. Her hands remain on your back longer than necessary. These are not accidents, these are signals. Most men break the moment too early. Don't. Instead, mirror her energy. If she stays close, let your hand rest lightly on her lower back, or give a subtle squeeze. Nothing forceful, just enough to let her feel your calm confidence. This is where you shift from someone she trusts to someone she feels drawn to. 5. Intimate embrace. Finally, there's the most powerful of all, the intimate embrace. Her head rests on your shoulder or neck. Her breathing slows and deepens. Her hands move softly across your back. This isn't just comfort, this is trust, vulnerability, and attraction. Without a single word. Many men ruin this by moving too fast or talking nervously. But here's the key. Don't rush. Don't break the stillness. Just hold her. Let her feel your warmth, your grounded presence. If she doesn't pull away, she's not just hugging you, she's inviting you into something more. A gentle squeeze, a steady gaze when she looks up. These subtle responses speak louder than anything you could say. In this moment, you're no longer just the man she trusts, you're the man she desires. A hug may look simple, but it's one of the most powerful forms of silent communication. Each type reveals something: comfort, trust, curiosity, or even attraction. What matters most isn't analyzing every hug like a puzzle. It's your ability to stay calm, grounded, and confident. Because in that stillness, you show her what she truly longs for: strength, presence, and a heart that listens without judgment. So next time a woman hugs you, remember, she might not just be saying hello. She might be testing your presence, inviting closeness, or silently asking for something deeper. And you, with your calm awareness, are the answer. If you found this video valuable, make sure to hit subscribe so you never miss the next reflection on mastering masculine presence and the psychology of attraction. The journey has only just begun. A hug may seem like just a greeting, but sometimes it's the silent language of closeness and desire. The 5 types of hugs we've just explored are 5 different ways women send signals, not with words, but with touch, with lingering presence, and with trust. What matters most isn't decoding every little detail. It's about staying calm, grounded, and confident in each moment. Because in that stillness, you show her what every woman secretly longs for in a man: strength, stability, and a heart that truly listens. So the next time she hugs you, remember, she may not just be saying hello. She may be asking you a bigger question through the silence of her embrace. And you, with your presence, are the answer. If you found this video valuable, make sure to hit subscribe so you never miss another insight from Stoic Reflections, because the journey to mastering masculine presence and the hidden language of attraction has only just begun.